Hi, Dr. Jenna Andrade here, the Active Persons Chiropractor, and we are talking about the benefits of the adjustment today. And I specifically want to focus on the long-term benefits. For people that get regular chiropractic care over a period of time, they can start to notice some long-term benefits. They can notice that some of the hormones that they're producing in their body naturally are better produced because we're reinforcing that with each adjustment. They get better pain control, they get better mood control, they're better able to sleep, they have better digestion, they have better focus.